Stop scrolling. You're wasting time. People are making money with AI right now. You feel stuck. No money, no clear path. But things have changed. AI is your shortcut. You don't need skills. You just need to start. First way, AI writing. Use tools to write posts, blogs, or emails for clients. People pay for simple content. You can do it in minutes using AI. The second way, AI videos. Create short videos without showing your face. Post them online, grow fast. Earn from views, ads, or clients. Third way, AI freelancing. Offer services like design, captions, or ideas. Everyone else is starting. If you wait, you fall behind. Start today. Pick one way. Take action now, or regret it later. Thanks for watching. If you liked it, tap subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.